Welcome, here I've got Honor 7S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by going to the right corner and tapping on this button. So hi again, and now let's just simply slide to the right to get access to the advanced camera settings and focus on the capture settings. Here we have the mirror reflection option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.